In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to edit a footer using Webflow, a popular web design and development platform. With this guide, you'll gain a certificate of mastery in this web development facet, heightening your web design prowess. The first thing to direct our attention to is adding a pre-built footer. For this, we move our cursor to the Add panel. In there lies a section labeled Navbars and Footers. Click on it to open the drop-down menu, which showcases the available options for pre-built footers. Our next task is dragging a desirable pre-built footer onto your page. Simply left-click and hold, then drag the chosen footer, positioning it to the preferred area of your page before releasing the mouse button. Following this task is customization. As expected, our task involves modifying the content to align with your web page theme or objectives. Click on any element in the newly added footer that you wish to modify, be it the text, link, or icons. A simple click allows you to directly edit them. If you want to change any text, go ahead and type in the new content. If you desire to replace any included links or icons, just select and replace with the desired ones. This step is your chance to personalize your footer, making the website's bottom area hold a unique resonance to your site's brand or identity. Now we move to the next stage, which regards adjustment of styling. The visual attributes of your footer play a crucial role in the overall aesthetics of your web page. Thus, we shall navigate to the Style panel. Here, you are entitled to loads of customizing features that can meticulously achieve the desired outlook. Want to change your footer's color scheme? No cause for worry. Browse through the various color palettes and gradients. Then pick the one perfectly matching your website design. If an aspect of fonts requires changing, you are catered for. You can tweak the font type, font weight, and size. Space is another important design element that can make a big difference in user experience. So don't forget to modify the spacing between different footer elements to develop a harmonious and visually appealing web page. Through this concise yet comprehensive tutorial, I believe you have now learned how to edit a footer using Webflow. Don't forget, practice makes perfect, so apply your newfound knowledge in your upcoming web design projects. Given time, you'll become a master at these manipulations, thereby enhancing your overall web design skills. Happy designing!